And if you're in the middle of machining something on the lathe and you decide you need to get the center out of the way so you can get up in the towards the front end of the material you're turning, you could use the steady rest. So here's this steady rest for the lathe, and I actually, because of I already had the material in the chuck and the center and the one end of the material, I had to open up the steady rest like so and actually put it flat, slide it underneath the chuck, underneath the material, bring it up and over, and then I could close it like so. And then this piece just comes up and locks that in. But now for your three pieces of the steady rest that touch, each end has a bearing, and they should all spin nice and freely. So you want to check that, of course. And then you're going to be lubricating the area of the material that's going to run on these bearings with some oil. So I just have a little squirt guy, a little Pro Lube. So I'll use that. So before I turn the machine back on, I'll actually touch these very lightly. Just the light, it's all a feel thing, so just a very light touch to the material on all three sides. You may have to adjust it once it gets running. And this will leave a slight mark on your material, so definitely set the steady rest up in a spot that's a non-critical spot where nothing has to be installed on your material later. So I'll get the last one here. Maybe a little hard to see, but again, just a feel thing. And then you could even try to just spin the chuck while it's up, just to make sure all three bearings are moving. And it looks like mine are. Again, hard to pick up with the camera. There's a better shot. Okay, so now I have that going. I'm actually, before I unwind the center back out, before I crank it back out, I will turn the machine on. Get some oil squirted in there. And I'll just check on all of them. Again, not too much. Just a very slight amount is what you want. Okay, so I like that where it is. So now I can go ahead and I can honestly just pull this back so I kind of have a similar setting when I go back to the center later. And you see the material is still running nice and true. So now I just turn down my front section that I couldn't get to with this bulky center head in the way. So there you go, a little lesson on the center.